Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to Woodworking with Wenzy. Today, Wenzy is going to be making a sword. Today, we will need an axe, a hammer, a marker, and a jigsaw. Don't forget to glove up, and most of all, protect your eyes. Wenzy has a face shield. Good job, Wenzy. Careful with that axe, Wenzy. Time to cut down a tree. Great work, Wenzy. Look, you've got a stick. Next, we'll hammer the stick. And now into the quenching bucket. Take your newly created plank and secure it down securely. Now draw your own custom outline and make sure to add loads of fancy bits. Make sure to mirror your designs perfectly on the other side. Now for the cutting! As always, check for squirrels before proceeding. When you're finished, you should end up with something like this. Proceed to spray paint the bejesus out of it. When you're finished, put her in the freezer for a good 24 minutes to set. When the time is up, you will be able to see the finished product. Outstanding work, Wenzy! I'm so proud of you. Thank you all so much for coming, and please join Wenzy next week as he crafts his very own homemade grenade.